You have heard the news about ACP Pradyuman's character?
Yes, I did, and that was a shocker to me. I don't know how people took it.
And they've got young Parth as the new ACP. You met Parth before?
No, I have met him ages ago. I've met him.
What's your take on him being the new ACP? Because the audience and the internet is divided. On one hand, people feel loyalists of CID, feel कि यार इतने सालों से दया या अभिजीत है, दोनों सीनियर में से कोई नया ACP होना चाहिए था. And on the other hand, there are also people who feel कि चलो ACP Ayushman, which is Parth's character, brings a sense of freshness to CID. What is your take?
I think my take will be none of them. I'll tell you why. I think my take will be it can work either way, but nostalgia, people who watched it 18 years ago will always crave for it because that's the original CID form that they will always want. For people who've just joined in, I think they will, probably feel much happier about a newer character because they will relate to him because they didn't know ACP Pradyuman. I don't know Rajan sir personally, but I met him a couple of times. He doesn't come across like a bully to me. He doesn't come across like a guy who will say, "यार कल से मत आना." I don't think because यार उनका experience, उनका relevant experience अगर आप देखो, he made one of the longest running shows ever.
Yeah.
And उनके अभी भी shows are chartbusters. During Arjun, I tell you, there was this Mahadev आता था शायद. Mahadev का special आया Saturday Sunday. Saturday Sunday was
talking about Mohit Rana.
Mohit Rana. तो मंडे टू फ्राइडे आता था वो. सैटरडे संडे उनका स्पेशल है काली एपिसोड. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर अर्जुन वाज सैटरडे संडे 8 o'clock and we were doing damn good. We were rating 2.5 and that was number 1 show for Star in all their history for weekends. एक दिन हमारी रेटिंग है 1.6. हम सब हिले पड़े. I think there should be a season 2 for Arjun. As soon as you said it,
I think people would love it.
I could have said anything कि मेरे को एक romantic hero बनना है. Of course that is there, but immediately I think there should be the next season of Arjun because if I see a CID coming there, then I definitely see an Arjun coming. Hi, this is Shalin Malhotra and you're watching me on Shubhojit's podcast.
Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe right now. Ladies and gentlemen, you talk about talent, you talk about good looks, you talk about suave energy, you talk about swag, you talk about exuberance. I can keep adding adjectives one after the other. सिर्फ good looks काफी नहीं होता. Good looks के साथ साथ अगर talent भी blend किया जाए, then it actually creates magic. And मेरे साथ जो भाई यहाँ पे मौजूद है, he's actually done magic in whatever capacity. He has always had an opportunity. Thank you so much, Shalin bhai, for coming over here.
Thank you so much for having me.
I'm loving your hair. Somebody else was complaining, but forget that. I'm loving your hair the way it is. Are you loving your hair as well?
I don't know, and I'm just pretty low maintenance. मेरे को बाहर निकल के स्टाइल नहीं करना, बाहर निकल बाल ऐसे निकाल.
So even whenever you're shooting वगैरह and all, अगर makeup artist or hair stylist is being like यार सर ऐसे बाल रखो, you're not कि आपको जो करना है करो, मेरे को मतलब शांति में रहना.
Correct. Honestly, that's the right thing. So मैं क्या करता हूँ? A lot of people have this thing कि वो short से पहले अपने बाल देखते हैं. मैं कुछ नहीं करता. आज भी किसी भी प्रोडक्शन हाउस फ्रॉम 2012 टू नाउ एवरीवन नोस कि मैं अपना हेयर स्टाइल मेकअप कुछ नहीं देखता बिकॉज आई फील वो उनका काम है. तो वो मॉनिटर पे देखना है. अगर कल जाकर टेलीकास्ट में अच्छे नहीं लगे तो फिर उनकी क्लास है क्योंकि वो आपका काम. मेरा काम एक्टिंग करना, मैं वही करूँ.
Right, absolutely. Your profile says different stuff like actor, model, VJ as well. I think what are the skill sets perhaps जो शायद VJing में लगता है that eventually has helped in acting because it's more or less to an extent similar. कैमरा के सामने आप बात करते हो, you need to be more open, right?
The ease, the ease in front of the camera, the ease in front of people. I think camera is a very different world. But जब आप स्टेज पर अगर आपके सामने 10-12 हज़ार लोग होते हैं, वो एक अलग हाई, वो एक अलग एनर्जी है. In front of the camera it's difficult. बहुत पहले किसी ने कहा था कि जब आप कैमरे के सामने होते हो, आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, आप कभी भी नेचुरल नहीं रह सकते. अगर आपने 70% भी नॉर्मल रह लिया, तो दैट मींस यू वेस्ट. एंड नॉट जस्ट वन और टू एक्टर्स, बेस्ट ऑफ एक्टर्स ऑलवेज टेल दिस. यू हैव टू, वो कहने की बात होती है ना, फॉरगेट द कैमरा, फॉरगेट द कैमरा, फॉरगेट द कैमरा. अरे कैसे फॉरगेट द कैमरा?
इट्स देयर इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड.
अगर मैं फॉरगेट द कैमरा करूंगा, उल्टा होकर बात करूंगा तो नहीं चलेगा. तो मतलब आई कांट रियली फॉरगेट द कैमरा. आई जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार दैट इज नॉट हैम्परिंग विद व्हाटएवर आई एम. That's right.
television as a medium, it has its own set of challenges, right? It's not just about कि आपको prepared रहना है in terms of what your character is going through in terms of emotions, but also it's a lot tough in terms of your body and everything as well. आपके 13 14 घंटे के shifts होते हैं, you don't really get too much of time to recover, but at the same time you know that if you're one of the faces of that particular show and your requirement is almost like on a regular basis, it's not just about the mental strength that's needed to kind of play those characters, but also your physical strength and your physical abilities, right? वो balance कैसे होता है? Because you know that there's a lot of tough work going in that situation.
I think yeah, it also it's very wrongly interpreted in television these days कि हर किरदारी सिक्स पैक बना के घूम रहा है या हर किरदारी फिट दिख रहा है, हर किरदारी बहुत ज्यादा गुड लुकिंग है. ये टेक्निकली इज नॉट द राइट अप्रोच ऑल्सो. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आज से कुछ साल पहले ये अप्रोच नहीं. There was a time when you needed a character to look a certain way, physically also, not only from the face. Correct. Physically also. That is why the shows were a big, massive hit. You talk about बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. You talk about Office. You talk about any such character. So that matters Swabhiman. You talk about Shanti. You talk about, I'm talking about the golden eras. उसके बाद भी a lot of shows have had that character that has to be looked in certain parts. So my character, like in Ziddi, was this commando. So I had to be super fit throughout the year. But उससे एक थोड़ा सा ही पहले मैंने एक वेब सीरीज करी, उसमें I had to look like a normal regular cop. So I had to let go of all the gym because इतना stuff तो मतलब सिर्फ दया नायक साहब, इतने सारे पुलिस वाले नहीं दिख रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक ये जो हमने रॉन्गली इंटरप्रेट करना शुरू कर दिया एज एन एक्टर होंगे, आई थिंक दिस इज एन एक्टर्स फॉल्ट. ये हम एक्टरों की जमात है जिन्होंने बिगाड़ा है कि हर आदमी ही फिट दिखेगा. वो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आई थिंक यू शुड नो व्हाट द कैरेक्टर इज, द क्रिएटिव्स ब्रीफ, द चैनल्स ब्रीफ, द प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस, द स्टोरी, द राइटर, एवरीवन वुड हैव थॉट ऑफ समथिंग. सो आई थिंक यार, बट उसको मेंटेन करना उतना ही जरूरी नहीं है. बिकॉज येस, इट इज मेंटली टैक्सिंग बिकॉज 12 hours on the set is not easy. Right. And you have to give out an episode almost every week. So that's a lot of stress plus a lot of responsibility. So I think if you can shoulder that responsibility और आपको मजा आ रहा है वो करने में, तो mentally taxing तो हट जाता है. Physically of course you have to maintain it. मतलब वो whether you are working, whether you are not working, I think physical fitness is required for everyone.
मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि there is always this thing, if you have survived for a long time, if you have done well, if you have stayed relevant, then it becomes all the way more difficult to stay relevant because you have already stayed relevant to a certain extent. तो आपकी तरफ से लोगों का expectation भी और बढ़ता है, and then you feel the heat of being relevant all the way more, right? For someone like you who has had experience of so many years, क्या over a period of time industry में relevant रहना, when I say relevant, I am talking about 360-degree approach, not just with your work on TV. It can be anything. Your appearances in front of the media. It can be your appearances in maybe events or anything like that. एक overall जो चीज होता है. You think becoming relevant or remaining relevant becomes even tougher the more you get experience?
I think that not even with the number of years, I think with the number of digitalizations that are happening, it's become more and more difficult. क्यों आपको हर जगह उतना ही एक्टिवली दिखना है, आपको हर जगह उतना ही दिखना है. पहले it was a very simple, straightforward and a very good approach. I think I miss that. To be very honest, I really miss the fact when there was a one-on-one with a reporter and an actor. Every actor, for that matter, knew the reporter's name as well. It's because that was that one-on-one interaction. आपको सिर्फ इंस्टा में नहीं आना. मेरे लिए, I think social media पे relevant रहना is the biggest challenge. I think relevance in terms of work, I think because you survived so long, because you stayed relevant, because you time and again prove yourself. अभी कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरह कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग जानते हैं, तो वो फिर भी आसान है. बट सोशल मीडिया, फिर आपको आपकी अपीयरेंस, फिर आपको अपनी लुक्स, फिर यू हैव टू हैव द कंपटीशन. पहले वो 10 लोग थे, अब वो 10 की जगह 100 हो चुके हैं बिकॉज एज ब्रैकेट वही है. हमारे यहाँ एज ब्रैकेट बनता है 25 से 35. मैं 25 का था तब भी मैं उसमें ब्रैकेट में था, 35 का हुआ तब भी उसी ब्रैकेट में. लेकिन वो जो 35 में जाके जो और पीछे के लोग बढ़ गए हैं ना, वो बहुत हो गए. आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द रियल चैलेंज इज.
बट यू थिंक कि एक जो होता है फंडा की पहले के, आई थिंक द टाइम व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड एस्टैब्लिशिंग योरसेल्फ, बीइंग कास्ट वाज अ मैटर ऑफ जस्ट योर वर्क, राइट? बट डू यू थिंक ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, लाइक यू सेड, सो मेनी ऑप्शंस, अभी ये भी देखा जाता है कि इसका इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोइंग कितना है, ये पॉपुलैरिटी कितना है, So, it brings a lot of clutter to the situation, right? And
Correct.
that's where you need to filter between quality and quantity.
Correct.
But, वो और ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है. It's easier said than done, right? You think just being cast as a good actor compared to how easy it was in the past, compared to that, it's a lot tougher now?
I think yes, for sure it is. Earlier, if you look the part, then you called for it, and then you have to audition for it as an actor. And if you do the part nicely, you get the part. Uske, of course, there's luck factor which was there then, which is there now, which will be there always.
Correct.
वो तो उसका तो कोई तोड़ ही नहीं है. वो एक लौती चीज है जो कांस्टेंट है. अभी क्या है मेरे हिसाब से, पहले अब एक्टर की सिर्फ लुक्स उसके टैलेंट पे जाते थे. अभी वो जो सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग है, दैट इज एक्चुअली इंक्रीज द क्लटर was the right word that you used, because that's actually not the quality. क्या है, बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग हैं जिनकी बहुत सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग है, बहुत बेहतरीन एक्टर्स, और कई ऐसे भी हैं जो बिल्कुल ही बेकार है, पर वो किसी तरह से उनकी सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग जिस भी तरह से मुझे नहीं पता, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ whatever work they've done on content creations or they've worked on it, but it's not acting per se for me, and I think that has become a relevant, वो relevant रहने की जो दौड़ है ना, उसमें कहीं जगह आप सफर कर जाते हो. इसलिए अब आप, हम जितने भी मैंने अभी शोज के नाम लिए, वो सब शोज तब के हैं जब मैं भी एक्टर नहीं.
All before you,
all before me also, and all not just before me, years before me. Why are we still talking about that? Why do you also remember all these names? ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने आपको exactly ऐसा नहीं है मैंने आपको एक नाम बोला होगा यार ये कौन सा शो, नहीं, आपको भी याद. That means it was much before even you entered the industry. We remember it because it was nicely done. It was the way it was casted, the way it was presented, the way it was executed. Abhi, somehow because of this rat race and this so much of things happening, we somehow do not make the right product because of the casting process, because of whatever it is. But I think somewhere we are struggling कि हमने सिर्फ एक्टिंग लुक को छोड़ के हम आगे बढ़ गए, क्योंकि बहुत साल पहले एक रिसर्च थी, एंड दिस इज व्हेन आई एंटर्ड बॉम्बे इन 2010. आराम नगर हमारे एक्टरों का मक्का होता, हर आदमी का. वहाँ एक आदमी ने एक रिसर्च की, 2011 की बात है, और उसमें वहाँ चाय कॉफी होता, मैं वहाँ बैठा था, और वो टेबल साइड वाला टेबल था, तो साइड वाले टेबल पे कुछ 5-6 लोग बैठे थे, शायद जिन्होंने रिसर्च किया कर रहे थे. तो उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने कुछ 100-150 लड़के लड़कियों से पूछा होगा कि एक्टर बनने के लिए सबसे जरूरी क्या है. किसी ने बोला बॉडी, किसी ने बोला डांस, ऐसे करते हुए सिर्फ कुछ 20% लोग थे जिन्होंने एक्टिंग बोला. तो दिस इज देन, अगर आप उसको अब फिल्टर करो तो वही है, डांस, बॉडी, ये वो करके सोशल मीडिया भी आ गया. एक्टिंग है सब, वो उतने लोग अभी भी एक्टिंग नहीं बोलेंगे. So that's what it is. That's just increased another factor of not getting it right.
But do you think though words they're very similar, acting and actor, but जिस तरीके से लोग दोनों चीजों को या ऑडियंस दोनों जिस तरीके से परसीव करता है, both are two different things. Like you say, when I talk about actor, people usually the general people who don't really see too much of content, उनके हिसाब से actor is star. But when you talk about acting, then you talk about names like Nawazuddin Siddiqui and all these people. But both are correlated. Do you think कि general audience को वो correlation समझ नहीं आता?
I think बिल्कुल आता है. ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम है, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि इनको समझ नहीं. अगर उनको नहीं समझ में आता, पांच कमर कभी हिट नहीं होती. उन्हें नहीं समझ में आता
मासीदा माउंटेन मैन,
करेक्ट. अगर उन्हें नहीं समझ में आता तो वो इंटरनेशनल कंटेंट नहीं देख रहे. उन्हें नहीं समझ में आता तो इरफान साहब की इतनी इज्जत नहीं थी, नवाज की बात नहीं थी, पंकज त्रिपाठी की बात नहीं थी, राजकुमार राव की परफॉर्मेंसेस, विक्रांत मसीह, नहीं समझ में आता. उनको सब समझ में आता. ये हमारा आउटलुक है जो हम करते थे कि ये मासी स्टार है, ये कंटेंट वाला है, ये अच्छा एक्टर है, ये स्टार. माय पॉइंट इज, अब वो जमाना चला गया है कि when we only and only think कि यार ये वाला एक्टर ले लेंगे अगर टीवी में तो उसका शो ही हो जाएगा. नहीं होता. 2-3 महीने में बंद हो रहे. अगर हम ये वाला एक्टर ले लें मूवी सुपर हिट हो जाएगी, नहीं होती. रिटन फॉर्मूलाज बर्बाद हो गए. किसी ने नहीं सोचा था 12th फेल इतना बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा. ऑल फॉर द राइट रीजंस टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बट किसी ने नहीं सोचा. एंटिसिपेशन ही नहीं, बट मूवी बिकेम अ सुपर हिट.
इवन लापता लेडीज
फॉर दैट मैटर. एंड अभी मैंने लापता लेडीज के वो नया जो आया था अभी बीच में पंगा की, they copied it from a short film and all of that. I think that is so stupid. No one really put a point forward that इंडिया में घूंघट के ऊपर कंटेंट पहले भी बन चुके हैं. I don't, if I remember the name correctly, I somehow might be missing it. I'm sorry if I am, but डीडी पे गोल्डन आवर्स आते थे जब मैं बहुत छोटा था. उसमें एक शो आता था हरे कांच की चूड़ियां, और एक और शो आता था उसमें भी सेम था यार. तो हमने कोई फॉरेन कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं चुराया, हमारा ओरिजिनल है भाई, होता है. अगर मैं आपको ले जाऊं किसी जगह जहां सारे पर्दों में, आप मुझे बता दो कौन है आपकी वाली, आप हाथ पकड़ के दिखा दो. बट बचपन में हम गेम खेलते थे यार. आई थिंक इट्स अ राइटर्स मैजिक दैट हैज कम आउट, बिकॉज़ बचपन में हम गेम खेलते थे. याद है आंख में चोली टाइप हम खेलते थे, आंख बांध लेते थे और जिसको छुआ उसकी वापस टर्न आती. लेकिन हम उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऐड करते थे कि आप छू के बताओ वो कौन है. तो ये भी तो वही है ना. So I think it's the way a writer thinks, acknowledges it, people acknowledge it, and how he presents it. I think so. All of this is just the way it is.
You know, एक चीज मैंने आपका कल भी पोस्ट देखा, which is a very relevant thing, which not just you, a lot of actors have been complaining and quite deservingly so, क्योंकि एक अगर आपने पहचान बनाया है अपना खुद का over a period of time, you deserve a certain validation, not just in terms of audience response, but also in terms of commercial. So आपने खुद कमाया है over a period of time, right? But you know, you talk about pandemic or this, that, budget B, etc. You know, which is a very sad thing and at the same time very funny thing as well, because वो expectation भी रखते हैं actors की तरफ से कि you know they will be gullible and they will actually fall into that you know trap or you know that hole or whatever, you know. आप कितना frustrated हो इस चीज के साथ, because I'm sure it could not be just one incident because of which आपने वो story पे डाला था. So there must have been a chain of incidents one after the other जिसके वजह से eventually got frustrated and he put it out right there for not just the audience but also the actor community.
I think it's not only the actors, I think even you for that matter would be suffering the same way. And to be very honest, that story was actually not put out from an acting perspective. It was put out from a production house's perspective. I have a production house, a Act. So when you need a client, there was a time years ago when an ad was made in 1.25 CR, which आज के अमाउंट में होगा 2.5 या 3. आज हमें वही 1 करोड़ वाली एड 40 लाख में बनानी, जो टेक्निकली उस टाइम पे करा जाता 10 लाख. तो मतलब हम पीछे जा रहे हैं या आगे जा रहे हैं?
And you're not even considering inflation की prices are
कुछ नहीं और बोला बनाओ. So my point was कि वो आपको जो स्केल चाहिए वो मैं एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट क्या होगा ना, आपने मना किया, आपके पीछे 6 लोग खड़े जो कहेंगे हाँ हम कर लेंगे. एंड आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि मैंने बिना प्रॉफिट के सोचा हुआ इस आदमी ने 5 लाख कमाए, हाँ कैसे. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड बिकॉज़ एवरीवन वांट्स वर्क, एवरीवन इज रेडी टू पुट द फर्स्ट स्टेप फॉरवर्ड सो दैट अगर इसमें लॉस भी हो तो दुनिया अगले वाले में करेगी. बट व्हाई? इससे हो कुछ नहीं रहा है, इससे आपकी क्वालिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है, क्योंकि सामने वाले की भी गलती नहीं है ना. इफ यू आर द कंपनी, मैं बोलता हूं मैं आपको 10 रुपए बना के दे रहा हूं, सामने वाला बोल रहा है 7 में, आप 7 के साथ चले गए. क्वालिटी उसने 7 वाली थी, आपने अगली बारी बुलाया उसने 7 में बनाया तो क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं थी, उतने में दो. दूसरा वाला कहेगा 5 में दे. तो 5 में वो 7 वाली क्वालिटी दे रहा है, लेकिन आपको लगता है 5 में भी 7 वाली दे दी, अगली बार और कम होगा. ऐसे करते करते हम 3 रुपए पे आ गए हैं. इसके बाद तो मतलब ऐसा होगा हम पैसे दे रहे होंगे, हम चैट बनवा रहे. So it was that, and yes, of course, in acting perspective also this has happened over the period of time, that the budgets are low. I understand there is a crash in the market. I understand there is not much budget being released, and I don't blame the producers for that. The producers actually don't have a lot of budget to give, or I don't even blame the network for that. उनके पास भी उतना ही होगा, वरना जब था तब उन्होंने भी तो दिया ही. ये जहां से भी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुई है ना, पर उसका एक एक्सक्यूज बन गया कि वो क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे क्या हुआ ना, एवरीवन रियलाइज कि हम 30 लोगों के यूनिट के साथ भी शूट कर रहे हैं. 30 लोग ही अलाउड थे एक यूनिट में. आज की डेट में हम जाते हैं तो एक यूनिट में 100 लोग होते. ऐसा नहीं था कि हमें उन 70 की जरूरत नहीं, पर उन 30 पे सोचो यार कितना प्रेशर होगा वो शो चलाने में, तो बाकी 70 का भी है, क्योंकि आपको शो चलाने के लिए उतने लोग चाहिए. तो आज की डेट में वो यूनिट उतना ही हो गया, लेकिन अब वो कॉस्ट चैनल या नेटवर्क या प्रोड्यूसर या किसी को तो समझ में आया कि इतने में बन रहा था. तो भाई वो उतने में ही बनाता रहेगा तो वो बेचारा पिल जाएगा जो 3 लोगों का काम कर रहा था. So that's what has happened. I think just because of the fact that there is a massive cut down that had happened that time, I think we are also now used to the fact that we can make it in that cost. So we are okay. But I don't think that's right.
You know, it's a very dipsy dicey situation हमेशा for actors, because sometimes it's like a great phase, you're having one work, work one after the other. There are also times when you're dealing with a not so great phase, maybe not that great work is coming, आपको negate करना पड़ रहा है, because again you don't want to degrade your personal quality. पर उस चक्कर में क्या हो रहा है कि maybe you're letting go of a lot of work, and वो जो gap हो जाता है between your last show and your next show, that's basically again too much. So at one point of time, you need to keep that gap less, and at the same time, you need to focus on quality. That's like two, poles apart from each other situations. Right? ये squeeze in कैसे करते हो दोनों चीजें?
I think very honestly, मैंने कभी भी ना, honest to God, I have never really cribbed and cried about the budget of the show. The amount of budget that I was charging in 2017, I charged 1/3 of it or half of it when I did Zilli, because I really, really wanted to do that show. I think I had a lot of faith in that show. I had a lot of want to do that show. So for me, acting is my passion. It's not my bread and butter from where I want to earn money and settle down. No, for me, it is my passion. To fulfill that passion, I have my production house जो मेरा घर का रोटी चलाता है. But I want to do that because I love acting. I want to do that. So if the money is less and I want to do that, I'll still do it. So for me, that has always happened. On वो not so great phase तो मेरी life में भी नहीं है. मतलब एक के बाद एक मुझे कभी मिला ही नहीं. Honest, मेरे साथ वही होता है. I come out, it's like Sehwag innings. I start with a blast. Suddenly I hit a 300 in Multan. Everyone is talking about me. Suddenly there is a gap, and the reason for the gap is because there was time when there were shows that I didn't want to do, and then there was shows that I wanted but they didn't want to. So there was never a balance. उसके चक्कर में काम आता जाता, but now I think I take it in my stride. Moving forward, I always take it in my stride. यार maybe it's the right time, because overexposed नहीं होगा. और मैंने अभी तक नाम के लिए डेली सोप हम जो कहते हैं अब तक मैंने कोई फैमिली ड्रामा किया ही नहीं. It's been एक शो किया ना, last month, but otherwise I don't think I've done family drama. I've always been a part of something which is limited, or something which is very youth centric, or something which is very limited, like 54 episodes, or like an Arjun which is thriller. So crime based, all of that.
मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि for a show to for a TV show specifically to go a long way, historically अगर मैं देखूँ तो whichever shows have worked for a long time over a period of time, there's a great tuning between the actor or the lead actor or actors with the producers, right? जो tuning बहुत important होता है. If I talk about say something like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, or other shows as well, right? So tuning between the producer and the lead actors is very important. जिस टाइम पे आप फ्लरिश हो रहे थे उस टाइम पे we wouldn't really hear stories कि maybe there's some issue with the discipline of a certain actor, तो उसको producer ने निकाल दिया वगैरह etc. But of late there have been many instances, and I don't want to take the name of an actor or so, but हम लोग ने काफी instances देखे जहाँ पे से an actor was removed for say disciplinary reasons or whatever, without having to give much of a clarification from his. जैसे हमने say for example राजन शाही सर जो प्रोड्यूसर है, उनके शो में ही हम लोग ने देखा है ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. Multiple actors have been removed like that, right? Do you feel कि अगर कहीं पे ट्यूनिंग सही नहीं बैठ रहा है, maybe there should be a sit and draw conversation between the producer and actor कि लोगों listen, you need me, I need you. It's a two-way beneficial situation instead of cutting each other or going at each other. How do we solve this? आपको क्या लगता है? Because you have that relevant experience.
I think, to be very honest, I think they would have. आप ऐसा नहीं करते हो कि आप अगले दिन सेट पे और सेट पे बोल देंगे नहीं सर आप नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. आई थिंक देयर विल ऑलवेज बी अ कम्युनिकेशन कि सर ये प्रॉब्लम है, आपसे सामने वाला बोलता है मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है. अगर एक एमिकल सिचुएशन पे आ गए तो आप काम करते हो, नहीं आते तो you let go of each other in any of the perspectives. But my point is, because I don't know Rajan sir personally, but I met him a couple of times. He doesn't come across like a bully to me. He doesn't come across like a guy who will say कि यार कल से मत आना. I don't think, because यार उनका experience, उनका relevant experience अगर आप देखो, he made one of the longest running shows ever.
Yeah.
And उनके अभी भी shows are chartbusters. So there has to be something which is not right. And why there is so many changes? Probably there are leaps that keep happening in that show to make that show stay relevant. और कुछ भी हो सकता है, कभी अगर राइटर ने बोल दिया कि ये जरूरी है, किसी ने बोल दिया, पर क्या होता है किस तरफ से वो प्रॉब्लम है, that exactly you can't say till then you know it. And I actually don't know, because I've not been in that circle where I heard or where I've been like that, because this has never happened with me. Never has it happened with me or in front of me or in any of my shows where there has been a point कि एक एक्टर और एक किसी का पंगा और बोला कल से आपने करिए. मैंने इतने शो करे आज तक मेरे साथ नहीं कभी नहीं हुआ. तो अगर मेरे सामने नहीं हुआ है तो मतलब जहां हो रहा है वहां कुछ तो अलग हो रहा है जो मेरे सामने इतने सालों में नहीं हुआ. Because if you see pick up any of my shows, it's not that one show. Someone had to leave. बोला कि मेरे को जाना है, मेरे को छोड़ दीजिए, मेरे को बेटर फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट मिल रहा है. Like for that matter, Mrinal was getting work in films, and rightly so. I think I'm very proud of her for the way that she's flourished. I think she's done remarkably well for her. अगर वो उसी शो में रहती, वो शायद नहीं कर पाती.
Growth is
saturated. Exactly, and she was getting better opportunities, so she left. That was her decision, and rightly so. The makers took it in their stride and said, "Okay." But there was no bad blood. उसके बाद भी मैंने जितने शो किए, I haven't seen anyone being replaced like that.
You know, if I talk about audience love for shows, you know, Ziddi Dil Manena में भी था. You had that love, whether I talk about you, whether I talk about Kaveri's character. You know, the show had a lot of love because inspiration note tha, right?
Correct.
The show. And on the other hand, I say I talk about a show like CID, right? Which has been again one of the longest running
Correct.
shows, right? That also has audience love. दोनों शो में ही ऑडियंस लव है, बट क्या फर्क रहा दोनों शो में और शोज लाइक यू नो जिद्दी दिल माने ना, वेयर सीआईडी टेक्स दैट लॉन्ग रन, दैट ह्यूज लॉन्ग इनिंग्स, बट द अदर शोज डिस्पाइट गेटिंग ऑल द लव, एंड आई कैन टेक अदर शो नेम्स जैसे वागले की दुनिया, आई हैव लव्ड दैट शो, राइट, बट यू नो वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके रुक जाता है. Why do you think shows like CID or you know maybe अगर मैं पहले के बारे में बात करूं, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, all these shows had their extra long innings, but the other shows which were also getting audience love, एक जगह पे वो रुक जाता है.
There's 2-3 main reasons. That's a damn nice question. One, the longevity depends on how much the audience is appreciating the efforts that you put. That is their efforts that even you put in, that even I am putting. So that remains constant. Second point is, for shows like CID or for shows like QT, for shows like all these Ye Rishta, all of them worked. There was no digital platform to watch that show. Right? Very so true. If I have to sit at 9 p.m. to watch my favorite show, I'll have to sit at 9 p.m.
टीवी के सामने ही बैठा.
क्योंकि अगर आज 9 बजे छोड़ दिया तो कल मीर के साथ क्या हुआ मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा यार. But that's what it is. हमारे घरों में यही बात होती थी ना कि अरे आज पार्वती और ओम का झगड़ा हो गया, मेरे को रिमोट दो, मुझे देखना है. हम सबके घरों में एक्चुअली मुझे देखना है, नहीं तुम कल देख लेना, आज मैच आ रहा है, नहीं तुम मैच बाद में पढ़ लो. यही होता था ना. एक ही टीवी 4 रिमोट, एक 4 लोग बैठे एक रिमोट लेके कि वही देखना है. We grew up in a household where there were a couple of TVs, one TV, and we are sitting in front of it, everyone's having their dinner. That's when you're talking and your mother's watching it. You believe me or not? It doesn't come across as sissy. It doesn't come across as anything. We have grown up watching those shows because we were sitting with the mothers. Our mother was watching it. So we were sitting with the mothers. How did our generation develop a habit of newspapers? Because our fathers are reading it in the morning, mothers are reading in the morning. That's the habit that we follow. अब क्या है, वो digital platform आ गया. Everyone's still watching that show, but on their own times. Now the mothers, the grandmothers have also gone very equipped. यार modern आए, वो अपने आप वोट लगा के देख लेते हैं, सोनी ले वो हॉटस्टार की मेरा शो टाइम है. That is why there's a remarkable decrease in TRP also. There was a time when during Arjun, I'll tell you, there was this Mahadev आता था shows. महादेव का स्पेशल आया सैटरडे संडे को.
Talking about मोहित राणा.
तो मंडे टू फ्राइडे आता था वो. सैटरडे संडे उनका स्पेशल आया काली एपिसोड. I still remember. Arjun was Saturday Sunday 8 o'clock. And we were doing damn good. We were rating 2.5, and that was number 1 show for Star in all their history for weekends. एक दिन हमारी रेटिंग है 1.6. हम सब हिले पड़े. अब उस वक्त रेटिंग भी आती थी तो आपको डर लगता था. देखा तो महादेव रेटेड 8.6. 8.6. वो भी उस स्लॉट पे जो उनका था ही नहीं. Because people were watching it. अगर मेरे हाथ में आज डिजिटल है और मेरे को पता है कि मेरे को महादेव भी देखना, मेरे को अर्जुन भी देखना, मैं अर्जुन देख के महादेव बाद में देख लूंगा. Yeah, vice versa.
Yeah.
So I think that is where it happened. So the newer shows do not have that long run in terms of ratings, because I think that is where we falter. Plus, but there are still shows which do well. Like Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein has done very well. Anupama has done very well. Kumkum Bhagya did well. I think there are shows which have been doing well, but there are fewer in numbers now. Because again, the same factor. I can watch it whenever I want it. Why do I have to 8 o'clock I have to sit and watch?
ये जो रेटिंग का आपने बोला, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट, बट यू नो रेटिंग का जो ये होता है, इट्स नॉट यूजुअली डायरेक्टली आई वुड से प्रोपोर्शनल टू एन एक्टर्स एफर्ट, राइट? बट अच्छा जाता है, a lot of people appreciate, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अनुपमा, यू सेड राइट नाउ एवरीबॉडी टॉक्स अबाउट रूपाली गांगुली, एवरीबॉडी टॉक्स अबाउट द शो एक्सेट्रा, बट अगर डाउन साइड में हो जाए तो डज द ब्लेम यूजुअली डायरेक्टली गो टू द एक्टर? लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि नो शायद टीआरपी नहीं चल रहा बिकॉज यू नो लीड एक्टर उतना अच्छा नहीं है, या फिर रिप्लेसमेंट लाना चाहिए, मे बी समबडी पॉपुलर। ब्लेम कभी कभी डायरेक्टली एक्टर के पास जाता है, अगर अच्छा जाता है प्रोडक्शन हाउस से लेके डायरेक्टर राइटर सबका क्रेडिट होता है।
आई थिंक ये आज का नहीं, पहले भी जब मूवी नहीं चलती थी, जब क्लासिक टाइम पे भी जब मूवीज नहीं चलती थी, तो एक्टर बोला रहे इस एक्टर की मूवी नहीं चलती। कभी किसी को आज तक मैंने ये बोलता हुआ सुना डायरेक्टर अच्छा नहीं था इसलिए मूवी नहीं चली। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ जब मैंने जब से होश संभाला, मतलब राजेश खन्ना साहब से लेके बच्चन साहब से लेकर, कभी मैंने ये नहीं सुना कि अरे उसने डायरेक्शन अच्छी नहीं थी इसलिए बच्चन साहब की फिल्म थी। इट कम्स टू द एक्टर नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथिंग, इट कम्स टू द एक्टर बिकॉज ही सी। सो पीपल इन द ऑडियंस विल ऑलवेज से कि यार इसका शो नहीं चला। उनको नहीं पता डायरेक्टर का नाम क्या है, उनको नहीं पता प्रोड्यूसर कौन है, वो सीधा बोलेंगे यार इस एक्टर का शो नहीं चला। somehow that's the way that they function, but I think industry knows it really well कि show की rating doesn't depend on that. I think the relation that the audience makes with the character is when they love or hate the character, or is when they want to be with that character. Whether, like I said, Ziddi was one character which Karan became an inspiration. I've had messages saying that I want to join the NDA only because of soccer. So people related to it. People, so why I say that only of all the characters that I've done, I've always loved all of them. But Karan and Arjun always will be very special. Karan because he became a rage in the right reasons for people to follow, especially the youth. And so it was damn good. But that is how, because they related to it. So अच्छा चला तो ठीक है, देखो तारीफ कर लो, नहीं चला तो. But that's how it's always been. And that's how it will always be.
Yes or no में आप मुझे जवाब दीजिए. In today's time, क्या टेलीविजन में नए स्टार्स हो सकते हैं गिवन द काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शन दैट यू नो ऑडियंस हैज इन ओटीटी बोलो या फिर मूवीज बोलो या फिर इवन नॉट जस्ट इंडियन कंटेंट, इंटरनेशनल कंटेंट? एक नया एक्टर टीवी में आके सिर्फ और सिर्फ टीवी के दम पे स्टार बन सकता है?
Absolutely.
You still have that?
I still have that, or probably that's my hope or my expectation, but I still have that. I still think because television still is a widely spread. It's not that no one watches TV. Again, like I said, TV आप अपने फोन पे देख रहे हो या आप कहीं भी देख रहे हो, देख आप टीवी रहे हो. If CID is number 7 trending, number 2 trending on Netflix, you're watching CID only, ना? तो मतलब आप CID ही देख रहे हो, तो of course you can be a star.
You have heard the news about ACP Pradyuman's character?
Yes, I did, and that was a shocker to me. I don't know how people
and they've got young Parth as the new ACP. You met Parth before?
No, I have met him ages ago. I've met him.
What's your take on him being the new ACP? Because the audience on the internet is divided. On one hand, people feel loyalists of CID, feel कि यार इतने सालों से दया या अभिजीत है, दोनों सीनियर में से कोई नया ACP होना चाहिए था. And on the other hand, there are also people who feel कि चलो ACP Ayushman, which is Parth's character, brings a sense of freshness to CID. What is your take?
I think my take will be none of them. I'll tell you why. I think my take will be कि the nostalgia attached to the show is Shivaji Sara.
जी.
If you bring freshness to the show, good. अब वो उनमें से कोई ACP बनना चाहिए. I don't think that's the right thing. I'll tell you why. Because there was a film called Sarfarosh. Amir Khan was a very young guy. Yeah. Amir Khan was the next ACP. ऐसे तो फिर आप उन्हीं को ऊपर लाते रहोगे तो आमिर खान ACP कैसे बने? And why I say Amir Khan Sarfarosh, because I think hats off to the casting director, hats off to the director to think of Amir Khan as an ACP. No one could have thought. हम आज भी अगर हम ACP बोलते हैं तो आपको यही लंबा चौड़ा आदमी दिखाई देगा. आपको मैं दिखाई दूंगा यूनिफॉर्म. आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा कोई short heighted, cute looking boy next door एक ACP प्ले कर रहा है. But look at the way he's done it. I think he's one of the most. It's one of the most effortless characters he's ever done, and fantastic. So I think about this question, I think it can work either way. But nostalgia, people who watched it 18 years ago will always crave for it because that's the original CID form that they will always want. For people who've just joined in, I think they will, probably feel much happier about a newer character because they will relate to him because they didn't know. ACP Pradyuman. They'll know the new ACP.
Right.
So they will attach to it. But I think people who watched it earlier will always search. There will always be an emptiness that they would want that character to be back.
You know, if I talk about cross-gender characters, there's always been a conversation, especially on OTT या फिर films as well, कि अगर कोई transgender character के लिए we need somebody, हम लोग या तो औरतों को कास्ट कर देते हैं या फिर कभी-कभी मर्दों को कास्ट कर देते हैं, right? But why can't we not perhaps cast a genuine transgender actor? जो कि बहुत सारे हैं.
I think it's a fantastic thing to do. I don't know why we've not done it, but I think it's a fantastic thing to do. They should do it because of two things. First, they know and they've suffered or they've seen or they've experienced the goodness, the badness, the harshness, the stillness, the calmness of everything about that character that they would have, that we possibly would put our efforts in firstly reaching there.
Right.
They already know it. उसके आगे तो उनको perform करना ना character. So it becomes much more easier for them. And it becomes easier for the creator also. I don't know why they're not doing it. If that's the case, they should. If we have some fantastic actors who look that part, then why not? But having said that, I think Sharat Kelkar did a remarkable job. You can't take that away from him when he did Lakshmi. He did a remarkable job. So there are people who can do it. Kamal Hassan, Chachi Chachi.
Yeah, one of the iconic examples.
He wasn't a transgender, but the way that he got the nuances of a lady. So I think it depends on that.
Abhi, I think it's been about like 20-25 minutes that I've had this conversation with you. We've had a very clear conversation. What I've realized in your talking pattern is that कि आप दूसरों का तारीफ करने से पीछे नहीं हटते हो. If there's credit where it's due, if there's appreciation where it's due, you give it, right? But normally with actors, ऐसा कहा जाता है, actors are very insecure. They just want to live in their own bubble, and they're scared perhaps to appreciate other actors because हमारा personal footage दूसरों के पास चला गया, etc. I don't think you do that, but have you ever seen people around you do that where perhaps you deserved credit or appreciation in a certain place, but maybe others around you, it can be your so-called friend circle or your so-called actor community, those where you deserve credit and appreciation, but they were not really, going out and out about your appreciation. ऐसा महसूस किया है कभी?
Yeah, वो तो बहुत जगह महसूस होता है. But I'll tell you something. I think that's a very personal thing. That's a very that's your characteristic. Yes, actors are insecure. Their insecurity does creep in. I think there are few reasons why I'm like that is because the way I've been brought up, is in a way that I've never really felt insecure. Because see, when I entered the industry, to be very honest, and I say it very bluntly, I was a very below average looking guy. With over the years, I've become an above average looking guy. तो मुझे ये पता कि भाई लुक्स की तो मैं नहीं खा तो वो जब चला गया आपकी जिंदगी से आपने ये क्लियर हो ठीक है देयर आर ग्रीक गॉड्स देयर आर नॉट सो गुड लुकिंग गाय अपन बीच में तो ना बहुत अच्छे हैं ना बहुत बुरे. अब इससे आगे तो अगर मैं इनसे इनसिक्योर हो गया तो मैं मर ही जाऊंगा. अगर मैं इनसे बूस्ट में आ गया तो मैं कहीं नहीं जा पाऊंगा. So I know for this is my territory, this I'm sure. Now what? Now how do I reach the next level? Is performance, is working on yourself, is working on your diction, is working on how you meet people, is working on how your insides or how your nature is reflected. So when on set, and I say it with utmost honesty and being really boastful about it, there is no more secured actor than me ever on set. I do not care about anything around me. I just don't. Because for me, if I'm living that character, if I'm in that character, that's it. The world is this. I am playing a character in this world. Now, it's very simple for me to understand and make audience understand in this perspective. You're living in a country where you've selected and you've elected the prime minister. You can abuse him. You can give praises to him. You are the ones who elected him.
Right.
Similarly, in this world where I'm acting, I was selected. So I have my part. If I play it well, it will go long. If I don't play it well, it won't go long. Why am I to be insecure about it? And praises and compliments will always come to you from the right people at the right time. You do not have to worry about it.
मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कहा जाता है that there are camps etc. आपको ये लॉबी में होना चाहिए, वो लॉबी में होना चाहिए to be in someone good books. टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसा लॉबी या ग्रुपिज्म है?
नहीं यार, आई डोंट थिंक सो। मतलब है तो मुझे नहीं पता है। I need to
You're not in any lobby or
no, I need to up my knowledge on it because I seriously don't know. I don't think there is any camp or any such thing because I think television is so widespread यार। मतलब कितने चैनल हैं, हर चैनल पे 15 शोज हैं, 10 शोज हैं, हर उसमें मतलब 10 लीड हैं और 10 इंटू 10 चैनल मान लो तो 100 लीड्स हैं। तो कौन किसकी लॉबी में कब होगा ये मुझे पता ही नहीं है। आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी लॉबी इन टेलीविजन फॉर श्योर।
Second last question to you would be key in this career of yours where you say that it's been like Sehwag where you smash a 309 and all stuff and then थोड़ा बीच में pause आ जाता है, then again play a big knock, right? Three most valuable and refreshing flashbacks आपके career के क्या रहेंगे?
I think okay, so this is I don't usually speak about it, but I will. So I was it was January 2012. So if you notice the name spelling that I have has a different spelling on Insta. Okay, so that's because of my father, because he was really tensed about his son's future. He wanted him to come back if things don't work out. And I promised when I left home that the only money I'll ever ask you is for a return ticket. So January I said, Dad, कुछ हो तो रहा नहीं है, 2-2.5 साल हो गए. I'll do one thing because I'm a graduate and I've worked with ITC earlier. So I was like, let me just go back. Said that first June की टिकट करा दो राजधानी, सामान मैं आ जाऊंगा. देख ले, I don't want you to regret later. Like, no, I won't. It's done. He's like, फिर भी ना मैंने एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट के उसमें पैसे जमा करा थे, तू जाके हो. हाँ डैड, फालतू के पैसे वेस्ट नहीं चला. So I went there. He said ये नाम की स्पेलिंग चेंज कर देना. And he very clearly on my face told me you're not meant for the industry. Like sir, that's a very good answer. मैं तो 4 महीने बाद वैसे ही जा रहा हूँ. Clarity मिल गया मुझे. मैंने कहा मैं तो 5 महीने बाद वैसे 4-5 महीने बाद जा रहा हूँ. And after the session got over, he said sit. लेकिन तेरे तो बहुत जिद्दी है. तेरे एक जिद है. वो जिद पकड़ के चलना, सारे नंबर बदल. मैंने कहा तो दोनों नावों पे खेल गया भाई. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं. मैं बाहर निकला और मैंने कहा 1-1.5 महीना ढंग से देता हूँ, इसमें दबा. I started giving auditions in March. I got locked for Arjun. First memory of is that show is I called that man numerologist and I told him, sir, zid kaam aa gayi, because the first shot of my entire career I gave on my birthday, which was on the 25th of May, 2012. So that is one. Second memory is again from that show is I was so there were hoardings around in the night they have this पहले सफेद कपड़ा डाल देते थे होर्डिंग्स पे. तो मैं चांदीवली से घर आ रहा था, एक था टाइगर रिलीज हो रही थी, तो हर जगह होर्डिंग थी, सफेद होर्डिंग थी. और मेरा एक था टाइगर में प्रोमो आने वाला था. अर्जुन का प्रोमो एक था टाइगर के बीच में आने वाला. तो मैंने सर को बोला, मैंने कहा सर मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ देना, लास्ट शो देखूंगा. ओबेरॉय वाज राइट नेक्स्ट टू माय हाउस, लाइक नींद आ गई देखूंगा सर प्लीज. कहते चल ठीक. तो आई वेंट, एक था टाइगर में मैं पहुंचा और मैं सोया नहीं था काफी रात. जब तक प्रोमो में सोचता, तो आई डिडंट सी माय प्रोमो, बट आई गॉट डिसार्टेड. अब एक और टिकट तो नहीं, लास्ट शो था. मैंने कहा चलो छोड़ो यार, और बाकियों ने तो देख ही लिया होगा. So I went back home. And next morning I was grumpy, groggy, and I woke up beside him in auto. As soon as I got out of the gate, there was a BST bus which had Arjun's poster. And I was like, whoa! And then I went to the Western Expressway. So from Oberoi to Kandivali, there's an pura route you have to take. The entire road, all the hoardings were Arjun's, was not a Ekta Tiger. So suddenly you see yourself being larger than life. And in the same night, I went to Mahim Causeway. It had a 26 or something, I don't know how feet long poster of Arjun holding two guns and standing, the vehicles going right over there. So that was one memory that stayed. And I think, yeah, these are two of the most precious ones. Then came Karan, because the funny story to this also was, I remember because Seema ji, the producer, one of the sweetest ladies. So her father was in the Indian Air Force, and my father was in the Indian Air Force as well. So she's like, I was like, ma'am, फौजी के ऊपर शो बन रहा है, आपने मुझे बताया नहीं? लेकिन नहीं यार, we wanted someone younger. मैंने कहा younger मतलब कितना younger? कितने like 22 year old यार. मैंने कहा मैम हाँ वो तो नहीं बन पाऊंगा. मैंने कहा 28-30 तक होगा तो पता नहीं, ठीक है कि नहीं, वो हो नहीं सकता। मैंने बहुत कोशिश, उसके बाद एक दिन मैंने कॉल करके बोला, मैंने मैम मुझे बात कैरेक्टर क्या है, उन्होंने कैरेक्टर बताया, मैंने मैम यू एंड आई बिलोंग टू फौजी फैमिली, मैंने कहा वो आदमी इंस्टीट्यूशन का हेड है, मैंने कहा 21-22 साल में तो लेफ्टिनेंट बनेगा, मैंने कहा 3 साल बाद वो कैप्टन बनेगा, अगर बहुत अच्छा उसका परफॉर्मेंस रहा तो 2 साल बाद मेजर बनेगा। मैंने कहा तो 28-30 साल से पहले तो हेड ही नहीं कर सकता, उसने कुछ मिशन भी तो किए होंगे जो उसको आपने हेड बनाया। नहीं, उन्होंने समझा तो पहले ही हुआ, मैंने कहा तू ऑडिशन दे दे एक बार, लेट्स सी, मैंने ऑडिशन तो दे दिया, बट शी सेड इसका कुछ होगा नहीं, मैंने मान ले तो लो। तो बट शी वाज वेरी कन्विंस्ड फॉर मी, शी ऑलवेज हैज लव्ड मी एंड शी वाज वेरी कन्विंस्ड फॉर मी, एंड देन व्हेन इट फाइनली हैपेंड शी इज लाइक बस हो गई तेरी जिद पूरी। मैंने कहा that's how I got that show. I asked for it. They didn't audition. It didn't come to me. I don't know about manifestation attraction. I stole it.
भाई मैं एक चीज आपको बोलूं, it's very important in life to be a go-getter, right? And I'll tell you why. I've learned it as well. You talk about my sister and stuff. I host a lot of events as a corporate show host वगैरह as well. कभी-कभी events मेरे पास खुद आते हैं, कभी-कभी मुझे अगर पता चलता है ये corporate event इधर होने वाला है, even if I just get to know, I will message the event managers directly, भाई मेरा दिन खाली है, मेरे को ले. So I think it's a very, very nice approach. A lot of people sometimes are shy, काम कैसे मांगे, especially after, reaching a certain amount of, point वगैरह. But I think it's a very admirable quality, and I think, you see, I mean, that's what worked magic for you in that show, right? And then Karan became so iconic.
I तो she's like बन गया, हो गया कुछ, मैंने कहा.
I love it. Right? That's a very nice approach, and I think you should continue having that in the future as well. Last question, भाई आपको मैं यही पूछूंगा कि, in all these things that you've done, that you played different characters, etc. as well. If you get to choose, right, at this very point, कि मेरा अगला जो show होगा, maybe on TV or OTT, this is that one thing that I would love to play immediately next. Of course, there are multiple things that are left to be played up. वो करोगे, लेकिन immediately next अगर कुछ चाहोगे तो वो क्या होगा?
As soon as you said it, I'll tell you what came to my heart. I think there should be a season 2 for Arjun. As soon as you said it,
I think people would love it.
I could have said anything. कि मेरे को एक romantic hero बनना है. Of course, that is there. But immediately, I think there should be the next season of Arjun, because if I see a CID coming back, then I definitely see an Arjun coming back, because Arjun was way ahead of its time when we came, and I think the story is still left incomplete. I get so many messages every day for getting that show back. I wasn't an actor back then. Now I have learned something, if not everything. So I think that's the next show I would want to do.
I hope the producers, makers, and everybody that are listening to this, and most importantly, ऐसा fan ball बन जाए कि वो भी forced हो जाए लेके आने के लिए वापस.
मुझे वापस करना पड़ेगा, फोन करके मांगना पड़ेगा.
मांग लो भाई. I think fans would be very happy. But thank you so much. God bless. And like I said, I mean, it's important to be a go-getter. मैंने भी सीखा, and I think I'm very happy hearing that specific point. I think for me that's the highlight of this podcast throughout here. That shared, multiple conversations and points, but जिस तरीके से उसने बोला कि I literally stole that show. I think that's really admirable. Not many people do that. So I think वो होता है ना, credit must be given where due.
I wasn't even the pilot of the show.
But you still did that. You got the love, and the rest is history. And I hope that you keep creating history. Thank you so much, bhai.
Thank you.
Lots of love for everything that you do going forward. Guys, that's what happened to Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit with Shaleen over here, and I hope that he gets to do a lot of interesting projects. आप लोग ने जितना उनको प्यार दिया, आप उनको ऐसे प्यार देते रहो, and that it is, he's going to be slaying. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.